Hello all. Today we'll discuss about the VMware, also called virtualization, certification and training. So there are many level. If you have a interest in data center, you can plan for this training and certification. If you have a plan for network virtualization and if you have an interest in networking, so you can go with this one. If you have an interest for a cloud, like nowadays we are accessing our data with the help of cloud. In fact, we are storing our data in cloud. If you have an interest in desktop, so you can plan for this training and certification. If you have an interest in digital process, so you can go with this two one. So here there are many level of the certification, like associate level of the certification, then after professional level of the certification, then after advanced professional level of the certification, then will be the expert level of the certification. In fact, there are some other field, like if you have an interest in data center, you can plan for the data center professional certification. Code will be BCP DCP 2019. If you have an interest in network, you can plan for this one. If you have an interest in cloud, you should go with this one. And if you have an interest in digital, so you should plan for this certification as well as this certification. So after this certification and training, you can plan for the job in IT market in India as well as the abroad. So you can get the good salary with a good designation, with a good profile, with a good company, with a good everything. You can see and you can plan for as a virtualization administrator, virtualization engineer, cloud engineer, network administrator, and there are some other job profile too. So hope this information will help you. All the best. Thank you.